Eating more family meals together matters and provides priceless benefits. Family meals are good for the mind, body, and soul, kind of like soup. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today on Hy-Vee Healthy You, I'll help you learn a new family favorite recipe that's simple, quick, and super satisfying. Let's get to souping it! To begin, grab a large stock pot and combine 2 cups of water, 1 14-ounce can of no salt added Hy-Vee diced tomatoes, 1 can of less sodium chicken broth, 1 15-ounce can of Siete red enchilada sauce, 1 10-ounce bag of Hy-Vee frozen corn, 1 chopped yellow onion, 1 4-ounce can of diced green chilies, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of Hy-Vee ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of Hy-Vee chili powder, and salt and ground black pepper to taste. 90% of Americans don't consume enough fruits and vegetables daily. Soup is an easy way to sneak in more veggies you need. Bring this pot to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 5 minutes. After that, add in 2.5 cups of chopped Hy-Vee picked rotisserie chicken breast and heat through. Protein and fiber are 2 key nutrients to help us stay full longer and prevent overeating at subsequent meals and snacks. Serve and top with diced avocados, fresh cilantro, and crushed Siete grain-free lime tortilla chips. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. And for more tips to keep you and your family healthy, join our Hy-Vee Healthy You subscription for a customized plan that works with your lifestyle.